Alright, so there was a startup of this Trane XR13 in heat mode at my church. Woo, that's cold. That's getting warm. (2008) 5-ton. Yeah, this is like the only unit that's a heat pump at my church. So we're gonna try to get a defrost cycle of it. Let's see. It's not frozen too bad, but and this thing probably it has demand. Is that ice? That's some ice. Anyway. There's the reversing valve. This thing shakes a lot. There's the rood. It's off. Alright. So, thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe to my channel, and well, I'll see you on the next one. Over and out. And we're gonna try to get a defrost of this thing. Alright.